Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make passport size photo with name tag in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to make passport size photo in this document with name tag. Firstly, insert a photo. Go to the insert menu. Click picture option, then choose picture from our file. Then select the picture and go to the format menu. Then click wrap text option, choose in front of text. Then go to the advanced layout size and check mark of the lock aspect ratio. Then click OK. Then change the height 2 and width 2. Then press enter. Then go to the insert menu again and click shape. Then choose the text box and create a text box down the picture. Then write name and tag. Now we can see we make passport size photo with name tag very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.